Hello, Chole Eric here, your PayPal expert. In this video, I am going to show you how you can check if you have money in your TikTok account or not. But before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, PayPal Uganda, so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. We will be covering topics like possible ways to withdraw money from TikTok here in Uganda and other African countries like Rwanda, Kenya, Nigeria, as well as others. As well as how to withdraw money from TikTok using PayPal. Remember, one of the available options you are able to use to withdraw money from TikTok is through PayPal. Currently, you are not able to withdraw money from PayPal using your bank credit or debit card. Secondly, you are not able to withdraw money from TikTok using mobile money. That feature is not available. The only feature that is available that you can use to withdraw money from TikTok is through PayPal. And for those people that would like or are interested in getting the PayPal account that supports receiving or withdrawing payments from TikTok, you can reach out to our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Well, alright, so let's talk about how you can check if there is money in your TikTok account. It's important to note that you need to meet a couple of requirements for this to work. You won't tell me that you are going to check money that is in your PayPal account if you have less than 1,000 followers. Remember, for you to be able to start earning, you should have at least 1,000 followers on TikTok, and you should have engaged in TikTok lives, either by going live yourself or participating in live or other live sessions. Well, let's get started. How are you able to check if you have money in your TikTok balance? First of all, let's close this application. Step 1, we are going to open the TikTok app on your TikTok mobile, which is here. Then secondly, we are going to go to your profile by tapping on the new icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then when you click there, they will bring your account as seen here. Then you click on the three dashes that appear on your right corner of your account. Then when you click there, you will see something like Creator Tools, Business Suite, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. Well, let's click on Settings and Privacy. When we click on Settings and Privacy, we need to look for somewhere where you see balance. Firstly, you can see Account, Privacy, Security, Balance, and then Share Profile. We click on Balance. Well, when you tap on Balance or Earnings section to view the details of your earnings, you will see how much money you have accumulated in TikTok account. Well, this money is accumulated from TikTok lives, meaning if you aren't going live, there is no way you're going to earn from TikTok. If you don't have 1,000 followers, there is no way you are going to earn from TikTok. Well, this is the amount or earnings you have gained from TikTok lives. As you can see, this account has Ugandan shillings 55,810. That is the currency in Ugandan shillings. But well, you can also go ahead and see this currency in USD when you click on View. Well, when you click on the View tab, you will see something like Live Rewards. Then you can see total balance. They show you or they display the currency in USD and also the currency in our local currency, which is Ugandan shillings. Then the accumulated diamonds that we are converted into the dollars which is 2,987. Well, we have a red button down here on the next step, which is showing withdraw. Remember, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. We are bringing, we have upcoming videos. Well, one will be covering topics like possible ways you are able to withdraw money from your TikTok account here in Uganda, and the other one, how you are able to withdraw money from TikTok using PayPal. Though this one is showing you how you are able to check if you have money or not in your TikTok account. Well, we aren't going to proceed with the withdraw button until that will be in the next video. Then this is how you can check if you have money in your TikTok account. The important note would be, before we proceed, I want to emphasize something crucial. Never share your TikTok account logins with anyone who promises to help you withdraw money from TikTok. That is so risky. There are a lot of scams out there, and your account security is paramount. What we do here is assist you in setting up a PayPal account that you can link to TikTok for cashing out your earnings securely. We don't need your account logins for us to be able to help you cash out money from your TikTok account. We don't request for your account logins. We don't request for any info from you. We just help you sign up for a fully verified PayPal account that you can use to cash out money from your TikTok account to PayPal. At the end of the day, cash out from PayPal to your bank or through an agent. Well, in conclusion, so there you have it. That is how you can check if you have money in your TikTok account. Remember to meet the follower and engagement requirements, and always prioritize your account's security. If you want to learn more about withdrawing money from TikTok or using PayPal for this purpose, be sure to stay tuned to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your TikTok friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable insights like this. Well, if you have any questions or any further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Chole Eric, your PayPal expert, signing off. Have a fantastic day.